Hi boys and girls, so we are going to look at shapes today and do a little bit of a review. So the first question is asking, what is the name of this shape? So the first one is a square. So let's write square. And how many sides does a square have? It's 4. So how many vertices? 4. Good, so the step 1 says divide the shape into fourths. So I'm going to divide this into 4, and then it says shade 1/4 blue. So I'm only going to be coloring this one side right here, and I'm going to color it blue. Very good. The next one, what shape is this? Yeah, this is a triangle. And because it's a triangle, it has how many sides? 3. And how many vertices? 3. Good. So now we need to divide this triangle into thirds. Since it has 3 vertices, we can draw a line down from each vertice, and it will divide, oh, not like that. Let's see, how can we divide this into thirds? I'm thinking that if we go like this and like this, that will divide it into thirds, and then it says shade 1/3 green. So I'm going to take this and go like this. Okay, my next shape, this is a rectangle. 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 How many sides? 4. How many vertices? It's 4. Okay, now this one says to divide it into quarters. So quarters means fourths. So I could divide it in half and then in quarters. And it says shade 1/2 orange. So I'm going to go like this. And since it's asking me for a half on quarters, I'm going to color two of these orange. So 1 and 2. Good. And the last one, the name is what? What shape is that? It's a circle. CIRCLE. How many sides does a circle have? 0. And vertices? 0. And then divide this one in half and color 1/2 red. So like this. Very good. Nice. Okay, let's turn it over to the back side, and we have a little bit of a review like we did yesterday. So we're going to find the missing number. 7 minus something equals 3. So we can actually do 7 minus 3 and find out what the missing number is. So what is 7 minus 3? 4. Very good. So find the missing number here. We're going to do 5 minus 1. So what is 5 minus 1? 4. Good. And the next one, we are going to do 8 minus 5. That is 3. Now we need to find the missing sign. So on this one, 3 something 6 equals 9. Are we going to add or subtract? Good, we're going to add. What about the next one? Yeah, subtract. And the next one is subtract. Good. Okay, now we need to find the missing number to make it true. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So what plus 5 equals 7? 2. And then 2 plus 6 is what? 8. So 7 plus what is 8? So 1. Good. Okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9. So what plus 2 equals 9? It's going to be 7. Very good. All right, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So 4 plus what is 8? That's 4. Nice. Okay, 3 more problems. We need to decide if these are true or false. 8 minus 6, is that 2? Yes, so that's true. What about 5 minus 2? Is that 4? No, that's 3. And 7 minus 4, is that 3? Yep, that one's true. All right, great job today, boys and girls. You did awesome.